Comala Publishing integrates seamlessly with Comala Document Management to automate page publishing. When a page reaches the final state in its workflow, it's automatically published to the configured target space. No additional steps or manual actions are required. Before publishing a document using a Comala workflow, review the following prerequisites. Ensure that both Comala Publishing and Comala Document Management are installed in your space. Enable Comala Publishing and configure a target space in the Source Spaces app settings. Apply an active Comala workflow to the page. And finally, verify you have view and edit permissions in both the source and target spaces. To publish a new document that's ready to be publicly viewed, click the Publish button in the top right corner. A published notification appears in the bottom left corner. In this example, the page moves to the review state. Click Review from the byline and assign a reviewer to approve or reject the document. The reviewer reads and approves the document. Once the document moves to the approved state, the content in the source and target spaces automatically syncs. Next, suppose you want to update an existing document and republish it. For this scenario, click Edit. Make the required changes and update the page. The Comala Publishing byline now shows an out-of-sync status. Assign a reviewer as described earlier. Once the reviewer approves the article, the source and target pages automatically sync. Refresh the page and the Comala Publishing byline is changed to synced. In summary, Comala Publishing works seamlessly with Comala Document Management to automate and simplify the page publishing process. Thanks for watching.